What's good, everybody? What's happening? It's Jay, creator of Ranger Z, original Red Ranger of the DMV. Got a package today. Time to do the review. Come on. Check this out. Power App. Shout out to my man Mark, aka Blacksmith. He did his big one with these. Hey, look at this. Jesus. Amazing. Powerful. Yeah. It's strictly blade mode though. But this joint is amazing. Alright, now we're back. Tink's in the video. Say hi, Tink.
I'm Tink.
You supposed to say hi. Alright, so there's this weapon right here. Now, let's check out these bad boys. These jokers right here.
Daddy. Daddy.
Ta-da. Skull's weapons. I like these. These are nice. These real nice. Camus. No, these are strong. They're effective. Yeah, these are real strong. Like these. Alright, on to the next one. The last one. See, as you all can tell, this Bulk Ranger's hammer, it's just this piece right here. It's a part 2 coming soon. Yeah, everything couldn't fit in the first box, but yeah, this is what we have of the power hammer thus far. Reminds me of Shao Kahn's hammer in Mortal Kombat 2. My man Jules got a statement to make with this one. But yeah, there you go. Last but not least, Sailor Mars one. Better view of it. Very strong. Very strong. Yeah, they did their big one with this one. Maybe Sailor Scouts team in the RZU. Obviously no Power Rangers, but you know, make his own separate thing. And Shauna wanna build her own team. Gonna make the rest of the ones. So there's that. Alright, so that's it for the rest of our weapons for today. There will be a part 2 for the remaining power hammer. Stay tuned for episode 3, Thinking Back, be released in early July. And other episodes on the way as well. And also some that'll be filmed. Shout out to my man Blacksmith and his team, his amazing team, for all these amazing weapons that we're gonna put to good use. We've been laying low for a little bit, simply, you know, due to background and other outside circumstances, but we come back hot. We promise you all. Stay tuned. May the power protect you.